Yo, yo, yo. What is up, folks? Welcome back to the stream. I'm just ordering some food real quick. Getting this grub in. Alrighty. Orders placed. See if we're even live. I am live. Wow. Magical. Cool. So, welcome back. Not going to trade today because I'm very tired. And don't want that to bleed over into the markets, but I figured I'd talk about what's going on a little bit. We've got some more downtrend going. This coffee is hitting. Paolo, what's up? Good morning, brother. Some more downtrend coming. We have on the daily. Okay, if we look at the daily chart, lower and lower highs. Still lower highs coming in. We're finally at this pivot point on the daily. So what I want to see here is really today. It's just a question of what's going to happen. We had non-farm employment change. We have ISM services that just happened, 10. They're bouncing a little bit, swept prior day lows. We've got 25,025 prior day low. If they don't range it here, then I'm biased for lower. We swept this prior day low. We're front running this. We're still at the edge of this node. We still have a little bit more down to 24,928 of an auction that is untapped. Okay, but it's not a lot. It's not a lot down there. There's a little bit more. It is about, pressing the wrong button, 251 points lower. Ebrouse, what's up? Good morning. Sorry for not being on stream on Monday. Had some personal matters. Couldn't get on stream on time. But I'm also dragging a bit today. We had a very long day yesterday. Good day, though. Yesterday. We had Riz in the house, a bunch of traders back in the building, which we love to see. Love to have traders in the building. Let's get some music going. Here we go. Some tunes. Right now, MQ 1 hour is below POC. We're building a little bit of value down here. We've got a bottom wick right now, but if we keep building value, then we might get lower, 24,918. Okay, we'll keep reaching out and dipping lower into the auction. A lot of volatility last few days. Yes, also under the VAL with a bottom wick. So very similar bottom wicking behavior, building a little bit of value here. If they hold below VAL, then we'll start to move for lower. ES prior day low still hasn't been swept yet. NQ prior day low has been swept. There's a little bit of a trend line right here. Not really. Hasn't been hit just yet. Who else we got? Keen Go Crazy. What's up? Welcome back. Let's take a look at gold. Gold breaking the markets. I really want to swing short gold. We crept up a little bit this week. If we could get to 52.78, I haven't used a fib tool in a minute. Fib at 53.39. Let's see if we get at least to the 52.68. Gold is bouncing to a 4-hour naked POC. Possible. Oh, it is. It got there already. 5,080. It took a few days. Look at the volume on gold the last few days versus where it's normally at. How's everybody's trading going this week so far? How's the trading going, Paulo? Bruce? Keen? How is the trading going? Scan every time frame. Been good, Brother Green. Nice. Love that, man. That's what we want to see. Keeping it small, 1 MQ. It's going good. I try to set up a monthly target of 500 points. Nice, man. $1,000 a month. $12,000 a year. Miss out on Monday and Tuesday's moves. All good. There's nothing spectacular about Monday or Tuesday. Morning, sir. What's up? Just kiss that VAL. Let's see if it goes lower from here. That's all you need. That's all it's about, really, is getting the data. Getting the data is the most important part, folks. Huh? What's up? Welcome back to the best place on the internet. Welcome back. TradingView also wouldn't let me log in. So I woke up very tired. Very tired. Had a long day yesterday, long night. TradingView wouldn't let me log in. I was like, I restarted. I had to force quit it, restart it, but I was like, it's probably a sign. Multiple signs not to keep trading today. Multiple signs. Tradeovate crashed at the open. Okay. Yeah. I did take a paper cut at the open. I wonder if they'll give me my money back. They probably won't. It's fine. It's a small loss, but we're not going to make it a big loss. So we're doing good overall the month that I did last month, which I won't. I'll make more. We're looking at about a 60K year, which is not a lot. We're going to keep growing that, but, started the account from $2,500, so we're going to grow that, obviously. We are going to grow it. We're still holding below VAL on NQ. Let's see where ES is. ES touched POC. I should have shorted. This was the actual trade I wanted to take, but I wasn't locked in. Should have just shorted this POC test here, to the penny. That would have been the A trade there. ES is due to something else a little more wonky, right? But NQ had that POC retest. Same time, ES was kind of just drifting up to the edge of this node. So it was a little weird if you're looking at both, right? But you could have taken that short with tight stop, or put your stop at the edge of the node here, 25,544. Could have been an option. Quad, good morning. What's up, y'all? Gang is all here. Get your 50 points today, Quad. I need to get a different streaming PC, I think. I had Streamlabs, on Monday. For some reason, my Streamlabs just wouldn't, let me share my chart, which is really annoying, no matter what I did. I think my MacBook is just exploding. I need to get, a permanent streaming rig. OG Trey, what's up? Good morning. Cardboard, what's up? Good morning. If you're here, say what's up. Took a short last night, tried to sign in, and couldn't. Short, nice. Love that. Ninja acting up. That's really not good. It's one thing when the props, but when the real broker accounts are messing up, it's really not good. That's why I stopped using Webull. I lost 30 G's trying to exit a trade on Webull. It wasn't an actual loss. It was unrealized profit, but still, the opportunity cost was I don't care what they say, what release is they didn't give me my 30K, so I was I refuse to ever use Webull again. And if Ninja keeps having issues, like they need to separate their platform from what they're doing with the props. I know they have like Trade of 8 prop and all that now, but like people trading real money should not be affected by, if that is the, I mean, I'm speculating, but like that should just not be the case. Like I'm fine if my prop accounts break, but not being able to trade real money is a huge problem. That's why I keep money in interactive brokers and all these other platforms as well. Is going to be an abbreviated stream. I have a meeting here at 11. Sol is 50 NQ short and getting an error. Yeah, that's not good. You should be able to call the broker, though, and exit. Let me see if I'm going to try to log in real quick. Hold up, y'all. We're going to log in real quick, see if this works. Okay, I was able to log in. Still not going to trade, though, but let me check all these prop accounts. Not much to do at the moment. Still holding below the value area low on NQ. Early sign for lower. Given the grindiness of this could take a little bit to go lower. We'll see. Don't know, to be honest. Can you walk us through what you're looking for since we're at a level? I'm not really looking for anything right now. What I need is a signal candle, right? So right now we're in a downtrend, right? We've got higher highs, higher lows. We had so yesterday was interesting in that we front ran this high, right? We failed to sweep this high, and we failed to sweep this low yesterday. So we had an inside day yesterday that also Uno reversed the Uno reversal from the other day. So very volatile back-to-back sessions. Yesterday's close, by the way, we came down and then we pinned lower. We had like a almost B-shaped close. So there's a lot of imbalance higher, a lot of pressure pushing us down, a lot of energy, downward energy. But we've still had a pretty tight range so far this morning, so I'm just being careful. Also, with Trade of 8 acting up and stuff like that, I mean, I want to be careful today. Also, I'm really tired today, so I'm not looking for anything. I'm looking to make sure I don't lose more money today. That's what I'm looking for, so that we can show up and trade well either in the afternoon, or I'll probably look for 2 o'clock. That's what I'm looking for, is see what happens at 2 o'clock. See if we get an interesting 1 hour close here. It doesn't look like we're going to. We might. But yeah, otherwise I'm really just chilling today. The best trade would have been shorting this POC overnight at 2 a.m., which I didn't do. To trade essentially the range of the VP, yesterday's VP, POC to VAL. Would have been a safe bet there. Otherwise, you can kind of see that there's a non-negligible divergence between the auctions. Okay, we swept prior day low as well as the Monday low on NQ, and on ES that is not the case. Okay, these people who are trapped are still here. Okay, trap shorts, and there's still trap shorts over here. And right now we're just ranging across our D shape, very normalized VP today on ES. So ES needs to go and tap some of these players before we get a meaningful setup on both of these. That's what I'm looking for. Really, ES needs to go for VAL, or not VAL, prior day low, or this Monday low. But we're kind of in a holding pattern until ES shows its hands. Now, in terms of downside continuation, ES did just traverse almost the entire range. It almost got up to value area high. So that could be the retest short. It's not a really clean setup, though. Just because NQ, POC is still higher, right? It could always come up to 25,411. You know, if you want to eat 150 points, drawdown is possible, but we're inside of our value area now, right? I like this setup more if price stays below value area low, but we're inside the value area. So it's a hands-off moment for me. But that's fine, guys. There's nothing special about this moment or this trade or today. Just, you know, we've had some hot sessions. So if you're feeling FOMO because we had some hot sessions, just relax. Just got to relax. More is coming.
federal bullshit.
Oh yeah, I forgot about requesting that.
Huh?
Let's put it in the event space or somewhere like. You just leave it. I mean,
Huh?
you can handle it if you want, but.
You know you got food and shit out there, right?
Uh, what's up, y'all? I actually forgot I was streaming when I started having that conversation. Uh, these lower time gap fillers, so money for TPs, quick 100 points come up. Oh man, I'm gassed, y'all. Well, I'm gonna jump. My food is here. Got something from the daily. Got a bunch of stuff to fix in the studio. I will be back on Friday. I'm trying to get on a little early on Friday, do something a little different. So if you want to do some market prep on Friday, make sure you join the stream a little bit earlier than normal. We will be here ready to go. So have a great trading session today. Be smart, trade smart. Don't get chopped up, and I will see